Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable the time before shutting down on the QCY Buds ANC wireless earbuds. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the QCY app, then take out the buds out of the case to make sure that they connect to the app, and also make sure that they have been paired with the app prior to this. So, and then we're going to press device, press setting, and then we're going to scroll down to timing power off. So in this section you can select how much time passes before the earbuds power off automatically. So you have 15 minutes, 30, all the way to 90, or you can just customize it to whatever time you want. And once you selected that option, for example the earbuds will power off after the selected time. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.